This says, tell me who it says. Oops, that's upside down. Who is that?
And it said, Happy New Year, Susan.
It says Susan.
Yeah.
Well, let's see what's in here then.
Yeah.
You need to get in the bag. Get stuff out of that bag.
Yeah.
What is that? What is it? What is it?
Tell me what it is.
Alice. Hurry. Show it to Mama and show it to Cynthia because they don't know.
Tell us what it is.
She's not talking, I guess.
I'm glad you're off now because she's been
Choo-hoo!
She's usually like that when she's on the
Dora the Explorer stickers. It's Dora the Explorer stickers.
Oh, she'll love that.
What else is in there?
Oh, what is that?
She can put stickers or something in it.
Oh, wow.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
Turn it around.
Oh, who is that?
Let me show you. Look here. Mama can't see because you have the bag in the way. I'm going to move the bag. There.
Oh, what's this one? What are you looking at?
And
Oh, Mama.
more beads.
Oh, boy. Man, I like that. See your face.
Choo-hoo!
Down so I can see your face. Yeah, do it. You're hiding your face. Really?
That's a face, you know.
Choo-hoo!
Come on, put your hand down. Show Lottie how Henrietta does. Say it out loud. How's Sheriff Don doing? You forgot?
Doesn't remember. Is
You asked him the other day when I was naming them pills. She wanted to name one of them Ricky.
I'll have to put that in trash.
Just rip it open.
What's in there?
Even though he is on there, and I didn't know he was on tonight. So he got the ad. They got an advertisement now where they show that little house. Boy, they get everything.
She didn't have present about like Jerry does, except Jerry usually gets pocket money.
And then you remember how Madeline and Mama used to do? We wanted to hurry up and they just take a little bit of time. And they never would remember never did look at the name to remember who it was they got it from.
Then you ask them 2 minutes later, I don't know. Keep doing it.
Madeline, she's one of the ones that ever here this Sunday, so we done had them on. So Madeline, she enjoyed them and she liked them. She sleep a little while and I get that guidepost and I always lay one up down after her reading. She'll read it. But it's good reading out loud, you know.
That's what she does a lot anymore. She reads out loud. I don't know how much of it she remembers after she reads it.
But I think she knows what it is. I mean,
Yeah.
and I ordered her one.
What do you have there, Henrietta?
They had like Christmas cards you could send them with Christmas and tell them you'd ordered them.
Mm-hmm.
So once you start getting together, I don't know how long it takes. But that's about the only thing I can read anymore, because it's got the big print.
Oh, you have trouble reading stuff?
I need that cataract surgery so bad.
What do you have there?
Oh,
It's a tape.
What's it a tape up?
Whose picture is that on the front? Is it Gilligan?
Yes.
oh
Gilligan.
my goodness.
It's Gilligan.
Gilligan?
DVD.
Yep.
It's a DVD.
Susie's
It's a DVD.
Her DVD got tore out and I got to buy her another one. Just a little piece out of where it plugs into it.
Well, she's got the same. Like if
What
she-
did you have on that day?
Now, she did okay.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Sarah had been some days when she would want
Doctor?
jury.
You went to the doctor.
Yeah.
Why did you go to the doctor?
You see what she comes and goes and what she
The
wants to
doctor
do.
told me
She goes so
that
fast,
that
and
I
that's what
said
scares
that
me.
I told her,
Those are
well, she
rubbish.
started doing
That-
that so
that-
fast every day. I
that-
said, Mama,
that
I said,
that-
what's happening
that-
to drive from over on the
he-
other side of Parsons around
I
here?"
had blood.
I said,
You
"That's
had
just
blood?
you to slow down, just slow
Yeah.
down a little bit." But I said,
Did they take blood out of your arm?
"He'll
Yeah.
wait." I said,
And they gave you that
"I said,
nice
"You're
bracelet?"
gonna have to wait a little
Yeah.
bit for you to fall. And
That
once you slow down,
that's it. I
I
had
just bagged her. I said, "Man,
blood
say something.
out of my arm.
Uh-huh.
Together,
yeah,
you just go flying out through that.
yeah.
Then I had blood out of my arm.
She had blood out of her arm, Mama.
You did?
Yeah, I had blood on my arm.
And that's why they put that on your
Just
wrist?
took it off of
Yeah.
there. She had to give William